Hello, my name is Sala Khalifa and I'm the Early Childhood Coordinator at Beacon Private School. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, unfortunately, our open house will be virtual for this academic year. Beacon Private School is the first purpose-built CGC school in Bahrain and the entire Middle East to adapt the Common Ground collaborative ecosystem of education. BPS is an inquiry-based school that helps develop successful, independent learners in an environment that harbors respect and responsibility, creativity and innovation, fosters hard thinking, and promotes collaboration and communication. Our learners are also given the voice and choice to reflect on their work, their expectations and feedback, which in the future will guide them in becoming future leaders. The CGC 3Cs are the three main approaches that guide our teachers in their daily lessons, which are conceptual learning, competency learning, and character learning, which our teachers will explain more into depth during the virtual open house. Our assessment at the EC level is ongoing and differentiated based on each learner and their ability and is evident in their classroom work, on the walls of the classrooms, portfolios, and celebration of learning that takes place towards the end of each module. At Beacon, we are fortunate to have professionally committed and passionate educators with a background of local and international experiences whom will be excited to meet each and every one of you at our Zoom open house. Our early childhood department teachers are: for nursery English, we have Ms. Monica and Ms. Nora. For nursery Arabic, we have Ms. Munira and Ms. Aisha. For our KG1 English, we have Ms. Chrissy and Ms. Hela. And for our KG1 Arabic, we have Ms. Qadir and Ms. Marwa. For our KG2 English, we have Ms. Melissa and Ms. Hawa. And for our KG2 Arabic, we have Ms. Farah and Ms. Minal. And we all look forward to seeing you real soon.